I know it can be frustrating when you're late for a party or a date and in desperate need to give your vehicle a nice shine. Hi guys, my name is Tanish and today I'm going to show you how to instantly have your vehicle look brand new. We'll start where all good vehicle maintenance stories start, with a clean dry cloth. Quickly wipe down the surface as best as you can to get rid of any dust and grime. Next, grab a packet of the Motomax Instashine sponge. Cut it open and keep the sachet aside. This is a useful little product. It comes with a special formula infused into the microfiber sponge applicator. All you need to do is just gently and uniformly rub it along the surface of your vehicle like so. Especially stubborn areas such as this one may need a little more attention. The Motomax Instashine sponge works well on rubber, plastic, vinyl and painted surfaces too. So you can use it to shine your dashboard, tire sides and just about any other surface. The best part about this product is that it not only shines your vehicle but also prevents fading. It is also economical so that you can reuse it. Just store it in the sachet, staple it closed and keep it away for another rainy day. So there you have it folks, with the Motomax Instashine sponge. All you need is a few minutes to give your vehicle the shine it needs.